There's a quiet beauty in aging, a beauty that no mirror can fully capture. It lives not in flawless skin, but in the wisdom of the eyes, the softness of a smile, the calm grace of a woman who has lived, loved, and learned. But sometimes, the reflection we see doesn't match the spirit we feel inside. Lines begin to appear where laughter once danced. Skin, once luminous, now whispers of years gone by. And though these changes are natural, they can feel like time stealing something that still belongs to us. Yet, what if time isn't the thief? What if beauty, real beauty, is still within our reach, not through creams or costly treatments, but through the quiet power of what we place inside our bodies every single day? Today, we explore 5 extraordinary foods that science has shown can help erase wrinkles, renew collagen, and restore that inner glow from the inside out. These are not fads or quick fixes. They are nature's way of reminding us that aging is not decline, it's refinement. And when you nourish your body with care, the years begin to reveal grace, not loss. The secret garden within. We often think of beauty as something external, something seen in the mirror, touched by light. But the truth is, skin is a reflection of what happens deep beneath the surface. Every cell in your body is a living canvas, constantly renewing, rebuilding, and communicating with one another. When you feed those cells well, they respond with vitality. When you neglect them, they slow down. And so does your radiance. Doctors and dermatologists agree, the health of your skin begins with your diet. It's not just about what you avoid, it's about what you nourish. The foods we'll explore today do more than smooth fine lines. They repair DNA, balance hormones, fight inflammation, and awaken the natural collagen factories within your body. And perhaps most beautifully, they remind us that it's never too late. Your body still listens. It still responds. Even after 60, 70, or 80, it's waiting for the right nourishment to come alive again. So let's begin with one of the most underestimated healers of all, wild salmon, the fountain of collagen. If there were one food that deserves to be called the fountain of youth, it might just be wild-caught salmon. Unlike farmed varieties, wild salmon is rich in a compound called astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that gives the fish its pink hue. Astaxanthin doesn't just protect the salmon from the harsh currents of the sea, it also protects your skin from the relentless tide of time. Research has shown that astaxanthin helps reduce fine lines, improve elasticity, and even reverse sun damage at a cellular level. It neutralizes free radicals that break down collagen, the protein responsible for keeping skin firm, supple, and smooth. But the real secret lies in the omega-3 fatty acids that wild salmon contains in abundance. These healthy fats create a barrier within your skin cells, sealing in moisture and keeping the complexion hydrated from within. When you add wild salmon to your diet 2 or 3 times a week, something subtle begins to happen. Your skin softens. Your joints feel more flexible. Your energy steadies. You're not just nourishing your skin, you're feeding your brain, your heart, and your spirit. Tip: pair salmon with a squeeze of lemon or a few slices of avocado. The vitamin C in citrus and the healthy fats from avocado enhance collagen absorption, giving your body everything it needs to rebuild the foundation of youthful skin. Blueberries, the keeper of youthful DNA. Blueberries may look humble, but inside these small, indigo spheres lies a powerful kind of magic. They are one of nature's richest sources of antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep color. These antioxidants act like tiny guardians inside your body, defending your cells against oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of premature aging. When oxidative stress builds, it damages DNA and weakens collagen fibers. But a daily handful of blueberries can literally slow the clock. In clinical studies, women who consumed antioxidant-rich berries showed improved skin elasticity and a measurable reduction in fine lines. Beyond beauty, blueberries nourish the brain, improving memory and focus, two gifts that time often tries to take away. Aging gracefully isn't about resisting the years. It's about supporting the systems that make us vibrant. Blueberries don't just protect your skin. They preserve your mind, your heart, your energy. Tip: eat them fresh in the morning, or blend them with plain Greek yogurt and a drizzle of honey for a collagen-supporting breakfast rich in probiotics and antioxidants. Avocado, the fruit of radiance. There's something almost poetic about the avocado. It's rich, velvety, nourishing, like nature's moisturizer in edible form. Avocados are abundant in monounsaturated fats, the healthy oils that keep cell membranes flexible and skin soft. They also contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent collagen breakdown, and vitamin C, which stimulates new collagen formation. When eaten regularly, avocados help the body build lipid layers in the skin, those natural oils that keep our faces from appearing dry or creased. That's why women who consume healthy fats often have a smoother, more luminous glow than those who avoid them. But avocado's power goes beyond appearance. It reduces inflammation, one of the silent culprits behind aging. Inflammation doesn't just cause joint pain. It also weakens the skin barrier, accelerating wrinkles and sagging. Each bite of avocado is a quiet act of kindness toward yourself. It reminds your body to heal, to soften, to protect. Tip: try half an avocado a day, sliced over salads, mashed on whole grain toast, or blended into a smoothie. For an extra anti-aging boost, sprinkle with chia seeds or flax seeds, rich in omega-3s that amplify the benefits. We've explored 3 of the 5 powerful foods that can transform the way your skin ages, not through lotions or labels, but through nourishment that reaches the soul of every cell. Green tea, the elixir of calm renewal. Green tea is more than a drink. It's a ritual, a pause that nourishes the body and centers the mind. For centuries, women across Asia have revered green tea for its beauty-enhancing powers. And modern science now confirms what ancient wisdom already knew. Green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants that protect skin cells from UV damage, reduce inflammation, and support healthy collagen synthesis. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that women who drank green tea daily experienced visibly smoother skin and fewer wrinkles within just 12 weeks. But beyond its surface effects, green tea offers something deeper: calm energy. Its gentle caffeine, balanced by the amino acid L-theanine, sharpens focus without stress. This harmony of body and mind is one reason so many centenarians in Japan drink it daily. Think of green tea as liquid mindfulness, warming your hands, soothing your spirit, and quietly rejuvenating your cells with every sip. Tip: drink 2 to 3 cups a day. For the most powerful benefits, choose loose leaf or matcha, which contains the whole tea leaf, and with it, every drop of its restorative potential. Walnuts, the tree of longevity. Our final food comes from the strength of the earth itself, the walnut tree. Often called the tree of life, the walnut holds within it a unique balance of nutrients that support longevity, brain function, and skin vitality. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and polyphenol, compounds that fight oxidative stress and keep skin cells resilient. They nourish the skin barrier, lock in hydration, and reduce the microscopic inflammation that leads to wrinkles and dullness. But there's another layer to their beauty. Walnuts contain arginine, an amino acid that improves blood flow and nourishes the small capillaries beneath your skin, the very network that delivers oxygen and nutrients to your complexion. Regularly eating a small handful of walnuts, about 5 halves per day, can visibly improve skin tone, moisture, and elasticity. There's wisdom in their shape, too. Resembling the human brain, they also protect our memory and mental clarity. Because true youth isn't just about appearance, it's about vitality of mind and warmth of spirit. Tip: eat them raw or lightly toasted. Pair with berries or dark chocolate for a dessert that nourishes both heart and soul. The science of aging gracefully. When we talk about anti-aging, we often focus on what we lose: elasticity, collagen, firmness. But science tells a different story. Our bodies are not in decline, they are in dialogue. Every cell listens to what we give it: food, rest, emotion, thought. A diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and natural compounds like those found in salmon, berries, avocados, green tea, and walnuts doesn't just preserve beauty, it restores communication between your body's systems. The skin reflects that harmony: less inflammation, more hydration, stronger collagen, and a radiant glow that doesn't fade with age. Aging gracefully, then, isn't about fighting nature. It's about working with it, nourishing the wisdom of the body that has carried you this far. The ritual of nourishment. The beauty of these foods isn't just in what they provide, it's in the rituals they invite. Cooking salmon slowly, arranging berries in a bowl, slicing open a ripe avocado, sipping tea in silence, cracking a walnut between your fingers. Each act becomes a small meditation in self-care. It's in these small rituals that healing happens. Not rushed, not forced, but in rhythm with your breath, your age, your story. When you turn eating into gratitude, your body listens differently. Digestion improves. Stress lowers. Nutrients absorb more efficiently. Every mindful meal becomes a message to your body: you are still worthy of care. You are still capable of renewal. The light beneath the years. Your reflection will change. That's the nature of time. But what these foods and rituals restore is something deeper: radiance. The kind of glow that doesn't fade when the light changes. The kind that comes from blood that flows easily, from cells that hum with energy, from peace within your own skin. Real youthfulness is not a race against age. It's an alignment, a quiet cooperation with life itself. When you feed yourself wisely, you teach your body to trust again. Your skin, your heart, your mind, they respond in kind. This is not about looking young. It's about feeling alive. Ageless grace. Aging gracefully is not about hiding time. It's about honoring it every moment, every line, every lesson. The foods you choose are more than fuel, they're messages. Each bite can say, I want to live well. I want to glow. I still believe in myself. So as you move through your days, remember, your body is not your past. It's your present, and it's listening. Feed it with kindness. Treat it with gentleness. And let your inner light, steady, warm, and timeless, shine through every beautiful year to come.